Welcome back, guys. I'm Steve, and today we are in the Tech Room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be featuring the best curved gaming monitors in 2025. Curved gaming monitors are one of those upgrades you don't think much about until you try them. Once you do, going back feels weird. In 2025, there are plenty of solid options to pick from, so here's a quick look at the ones worth knowing. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So, let's get started. The fifth curved gaming monitor on our list is the ASRock Phantom PG27Q15R2A, priced at $152.77, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This thing rocks a 27-inch VA panel with that sweet 1500R curve that actually feels immersive without being gimmicky. We're looking at QHD resolution here, that's 2560 by 1440, sitting right in the sweet spot between 1080p and 4K where you get crisp visuals without murdering your GPU. The 165Hz refresh rate keeps everything buttery smooth, and that 1 millisecond response time means no ghosting during those intense firefights. Color-wise, it hits 87% DCI-P3 and 110% sRGB, which is solid for gaming, though not quite content creation level. Build quality is surprisingly good for the price point. The stand does height, tilt, and swivel adjustments, plus they actually included cable management sleeves. Connectivity covers the basics with dual HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort 1.4, though I wish we had USB-C. Gaming features include AMD FreeSync Premium for terror-free gameplay, and it plays nice with PS5 and Xbox Series consoles at 1440p 120Hz with HDR. Here's the quirky part, it has a built-in Wi-Fi antenna that you can connect to your PC, which is weird but actually clever for wireless setups. The main limitation: it's a VA panel, so viewing angles aren't as wide as IPS, and there's slight black smearing in dark scenes. But for the price, this is a solid pick for competitive gaming. Our team recommends this for gamers who want that immersive, curved experience without breaking the bank. The fourth curved gaming monitor on our list is the GIGABYTE GS27QC, priced at $159.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This is another 27-inch VA panel, but with a different approach. Same QHD 2560 by 1440 resolution and 1500R curve, but this one pushes to 170 Hz when overclocked, which is nice for competitive gaming. The 1 millisecond MPRT response time matches the ASRock, and color coverage hits 108% sRGB, slightly better than the previous monitor. Where GIGABYTE really shines is their gaming-focused features like customizable crosshairs, aim stabilizer for reducing motion blur, and an on-screen timer that's actually useful for ranked matches. Build quality feels solid with that matte finish and adjustable tilt stand, though no height adjustment here, which is a bummer. Connectivity is standard with dual HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort 1.4, plus it's VESA mountable. The HDR-ready certification and Tuvy Rhineland eye care features are nice touches. Honestly, the only real drawback is the limited stand adjustability. Our team recommends this for competitive FPS players who want those extra gaming features. The third curved gaming monitor on our list is the ASUS TUF Gaming VG328H1B, priced at $246.59, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This one's interesting because it goes bigger at 32 inches, but drops to 1080p, full HD resolution. That's a trade-off you need to think about. You get more screen real estate, but pixel density takes a hit at around 69 ppi. The VA panel still rocks that 1500R curve, and refresh rate hits 165 Hz when overclocked with that crucial 1 millisecond MPRT response time. Color accuracy is not specified, but typical VA panels in this price range hit around 85 to 90% sRGB, which is decent for gaming. The panel supports FreeSync Premium and works with NVIDIA cards too, which is great for compatibility. ASUS really went all in on gaming features here with their extreme low motion blur technology, shadow boost for spotting enemies in dark corners, and Game Plus with customizable overlays developed with pro gamers. The game visual presets are actually useful for switching between game types. Build quality feels tank-like, as expected from TUF series, with tilt and swivel adjustments plus VESA mounting. Connectivity includes HDMI 2.0 and surprisingly still has VGA for older systems. The main limitation is obvious: 1080p stretched across 32 inches looks noticeably less sharp than the 27-inch QHD monitors we just covered. Our team recommends this for gamers who prioritize screen size and ASUS's gaming features. The second curved gaming monitor on our list is the Acer Nitro XZ 342CU, priced at $349.99, which we have awarded a 5 badge rating. The Acer Nitro XZ 342CU goes ultra-wide with a 34-inch 21:9 aspect ratio at 3440 by 1440 resolution. This VA panel maintains that 1500 R curve, but stretches it across more real estate, giving you that cinematic gaming experience that's perfect for racing sims and immersive single-player games. The 180Hz refresh rate via DisplayPort is impressive, though HDMI caps at 100Hz, which is still solid. That 1 millisecond VRB response time keeps motion crisp across the wider canvas. Color-wise, you're looking at typical VA characteristics with decent contrast, but limited sRGB coverage, though the VESA Display HDR 400 certification adds some HDR punch for supported content. Build quality includes Acer's zero-frame design for minimal bezels, height adjustment up to nearly 4 inches, and tilt functionality. The dual 2-watt speakers are basic but functional. Connectivity covers DisplayPort and dual HDMI 2.0 with audio out. AMD FreeSync Premium handles tear-free gaming, and Acer's Vision Care includes blue light filtering. However, not all games support 21:9 properly. You'll get black bars in some content, and driving 3440 by 1440 at high refresh rates demands serious GPU horsepower. Our team recommends this for gamers who want that wraparound gaming experience. The best curved gaming monitor on our list is the Samsung Odyssey Neo G9, priced at $2,299.99, which we have awarded a 5 badge rating. This is the world's first dual UHD curved gaming monitor. This thing is basically 2 4K screens fused together, stretch across a massive 57-inch with a super immersive 1000 R curve. The panel uses Quantum Mini LED with quantum matrix technology, so the contrast and definition are insane. Display HDR 1000 gives you up to 1000 nits peak brightness, plus a 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio. Basically, games look ridiculously real. For resolution, you're looking at dual UHD, which is 7680 by 2160, putting it in the ultra high-end category. With 140 pixels per inch, everything's sharp, even across this massive screen size. Color accuracy is great, covering a wide gamut, so it's not just for gaming, it's killer for content creators too. Performance-wise, the 240Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time make motion buttery smooth. Throw in FreeSync Premium Pro and the new DisplayPort 2.1, and you've got stutter-free, hyper-fast action even in the most demanding titles. Design-wise, it's built like a spaceship with Core Sync and Core Lighting Plus for RGB vibes, plus an ergonomic stand that adjusts for tilt and height. Connectivity is stacked. Multiple HDMI, DP, and USB ports mean you're covered for any setup. Of course, all these amazing features come with a pretty hefty price tag, but if budget isn't an issue and you want the absolute best curved gaming monitor right now, this is it. Our team recommends this for hardcore gamers, simulation or racing enthusiasts, and creators or professionals who need tons of screen real estate. And there you have it, folks, the best curved gaming monitors in 2025. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Steve signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.